Hello and welcome to Gozitechs solution. In this video, we'll be discussing how you start making your videos from beginning till end, covering all aspects from audio, recording till editing. This video is for beginners who want to start making videos on their own for their channels or other projects. So if you're new here, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified when I post a new video. Step 1. Planning and scripting. The first step in making a great video is planning. Decide on the topic and create a script. It's important to have a clear idea of what you want to convey in your video. Step 2. Filming. When filming, you want to ensure that you have a good lighting, clear audio, and a stable camera. You can use your smartphone to record the video. Place your phone on a tripod to ensure stability, and use a good mic to ensure audio quality. Step 3. Editing. So when you finish filming, the next thing is editing. I will recommend using CapCut because it's free and easy to use video editor. Open your CapCut and import videos and audio clips. Then you start trimming and arranging the clip to match with the script. Then you add transitions, filters and effects to enhance the video. Step 4. Adding music. Music adds a great touch to videos. Choose the song that fits the mood of the video and import it into CapCut. Adjust the volume and timing of the music. And step 5. Uploading and exporting the video. Once you are happy with your video on CapCut, export it from CapCut. Choose the quality and format that best suits your need. So you can now upload your video to your YouTube or Facebook. Finally, upload your video to your desired platform like Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. So that's it for today's video on how you can make video as a beginner. I hope this video was helpful for beginners and you now have a better understanding of video making process. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Until I see you in my next video. Peace.